SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in an unpretentious manner. SLP really faces obstruction at $3, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture by and large is buy and by esteemed at $3 backing for the inner real sense bears explicitly has been laid out at $318 walk 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through kind of smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for the following week, and all things considered, attempt to respond to these habitually sought clarification on some pressing issues facts, what truly is exceptionally momentary cost. Expectation for genuinely smooth love mixture, especially as SLP a wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Yet, prior to jumping extremely profound into the SLP specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing that SLP for the most part faces opposition at $3, which basically is genuinely huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours there explicitly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to total 548, 785, 447, 775 in every practical sense. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the SLP specialized investigation, explicitly let us especially discuss the essentially current economic situations, showing that SLP in a real sense faces obstruction at $3, or so they certainly thought. The by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $138, 539, 819, Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, showing that sort of smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 a 617.35 level after a decay of 0.92% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,518.14 during the past 24 hours, for the most part further appearance how genuinely smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on, or so they basically thought. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time span in a truly significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB, especially is somewhere near 376 and at present exchanging at $555.36 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in a very descending course for present moment, or so they really thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, general sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Smooth love mixture backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize, especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchases explicitly become significantly more extremely dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a for the most part significant manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants certainly become certainly dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of especially smooth love mixture SLP smooth love elixir execution. The everyday diagram of essentially smooth love elixir certainly shows that the SLP value sort of has an all things considered descending development with a 118% decline in kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3,508.14 during the past 24 hours, essentially further appearance how truly smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so forth, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the kind of smooth love mixture SLP coin really is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137,276,313 USD, or so they generally thought. SLP cost changes 4.8% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around 10 at 10.3 of 95 115 US, which by and large shows that similarly obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers essentially become move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a for the most part significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Examination for 18 Walk 2024 inside an everyday time period made sense of beneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilized genuinely relative strength indexes, moving normal combination and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving kind of normal SMA and remarkable moving kind of normal MA to for the most part dissect the future development of the smooth love mixture, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which in every practical sense is very huge. The really relative strength list RSI shows that the SLP coin certainly is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34 in a by and large huge manner. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how truly smooth Love Elixir Value Investigation SLP cost examination for 18 Walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath, which sort of is very huge. Smooth love mixture financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram, further appearance how in every way that really matters. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day outline in a quite enormous manner. While SLP's Williams % R marker sort of is at 73.5 and 78 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty sign truly is entirely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume generally remains at on a 138.5 and in 39 819 380 in a sort of significant manner. As per the regular turn, the significant quick opposition for SLP may truly be generally found at $0.03 in a real sense, followed by $0.04, exhibiting that SLP cost changes 4.8% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is drifting around 10 at 10 395 115 USD. Which especially shows that similarly obstruction truly is a level at which dealers truly become move fundamentally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in a genuinely huge manner. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels truly were situated at $0.03 and afterward $0.03, pretty further appearance how SLP cost changes 4.8% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around 10 at 10 395 115 USD. Which most certainly shows that similarly obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants truly become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. There explicitly had been a quite bad pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will sort of go on as essentially lengthy as it fundamentally stays in the ruddy region in a huge way. You ought to possibly truly gain crypto this moment on the off chance that you're ready to explicitly hold it through the high points and low points of the